An excellent recipe for buckwheat bread. Love to share it with you. Learned it firsthand from my neighbor. So the bread is soft, it's spongy, it's just delicious. And the best thing here, it takes probably about 5 minutes to knock it together. And incidentally, it's gluten-free, of course, as well, if you care about that sort of thing. And welcome to my dear aubergine, minimum effort, maximum effect. So you do need to have a buckwheat flour for this bread, and I did try in the past to put buckwheat through the blender hoping to get the buckwheat flour, but it didn't work at all. The ingredient number 2 is runny yogurt. Don't worry if you don't have it, just simply thin out the regular yogurt, natural yogurt, with water. You can see I have already salt like that here where I am now, like kefir kind of consistency, or use a kefir, I guess it will work as well. Room temperature, not sure if it matters, but it won't harm. A tablespoon of oil, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of baking soda. A quick mix. And that's it. Now you can mix everything quickly with the flour. Sunflower seeds, loads. I don't have at the moment the walnuts, otherwise I would do a couple of layers of walnut halves, which would be very nice as well as look pretty when you slice your bread. But we do without on this occasion. Some pumpkin seeds on top, and I fancy to add some caraway seeds as well. There we go. Right, so I let it cool in the same tin for say 5 minutes before taking it out. All the instructions are in the description, and please do like, subscribe, comment and share.